Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good morning. Such a beautiful, beautiful morning. I think I am on a winning streak or something. Winner, chicken dinner. I got another winner unboxing. Oh, I am so happy. What a beautiful day. Oh, this is so good. Oh, before that, you can take a look at the outfit of the day. This is my outfit of the day. And it's so super duper comfortable. I can do exercise, I can do everything with this. And the other day, I was doing a video of some exercise video. And this kind of clothes is not approved because it's too colorful. I need to wear some elegant kind of elegant exercise outfit, and this is not fitting. I'm kind of disappointed, but this is so very comfortable. I like it. Okay, let's see the unboxing. Okay, there we go. I hope the sounding is okay. The other day, yesterday, I did an unboxing and the sound was not good, so I have to do voice over. I do not want to do voice over. Okay, so let's take a look. I cannot wait. Oh my goodness. So this is pure linen, pure life. This is pure linen to unlock exclusive new deal. Oh, pure linen. Lintico. 1, 2. Oh, this is a very, 2, 3, 4. Oh my goodness. Let's take a look at this one. So they ask if I can do a video to show it. Wow, this is linen. I have never wear linen clothes. I only wear cheap synthetic or even not synthetic. I do not buy good clothes. Anyway, so this is, we will take a look. And I choose it because it's this kind of round neck, and I passionately dislike V-neck. Anything V-neck, I just do not like it. Do not even think about it. And oh yes, look at this one. Still bold neck or round neck. Oh, this one is a little bit wrinkled. Oh, there is a shape of it. We will take a look. The second one. The third one. Oh my gosh, I'm repeating a little bit the same thing. Oh, this is a pair of pants. Yeah. Pants. Oh, the button is outside. This is a little bit, you get the idea. I would prefer the button not showing up. Maybe this is a particular artistic expression. 3, 4, the last one. This one is another dress. What I'm doing? 3 dress. Oh, this one. Now I will wear it. Now let's do it. it feels quite soft and very airy. Maybe that is a little bit too transparent. Let's see. Okay, this is the first one. This is the first one. And it's very, very, very loose. Maybe I should take off this. And wear another pair of shoes. A little bit yellowish to go with the color. Is it supposed to be so? It's like pregnant, or maybe this is a taiji clothes, so that it's a very elegant clothes. For the not elegant person like myself, it's a little bit. Strange. Shall I wear it this way? I just feel it's a little bit strange. But it is very comfortable, for sure. It is very comfortable. Bit further away, you can see the whole walking. Okay, here is the second one. Let's take a look. A little purplish. And there is pocket. I like dress with pocket. I think it's not supposed to wear a belt or something, just like this. This looks elegant, right? Right? This looks elegant. Yeah, for a not elegant person. TT. Do you see TT? TT. TT， 你在做什么呢？你不喜欢我了吗？ This is the third one, and it's still very comfortable, and there is some shape, but large enough with pocket and just perfect. And the shoes are matching. Look at it, this pair of shoes. Oh, this is so comfortable. Oh my goodness, this is comfortable. It's extremely comfortable. This, if I wear this, it looks a little bit like rich people on vacation. Oh, that makes me happy. I look like rich people wearing linen. Not bad. It's very comfortable. Very comfortable. Okay, let's take a look. This is the last one. The red does not go anywhere, but it goes a little bit with this red. And so it's a pair of pants. And if I wear a turnip, it covers up. And it is like this with the buttons, and all these buttons are functioning buttons. They are not decoration buttons. Okay, I will put stuff in my pants, stuff in my shirt. Give me 1 minute. I am stuffing it in. Okay, all these are functioning buttons. So it is like this. And it's very well executed. The workmanship are really good, and you feel very comfortable. And when it is thin, it tuck in. When it is wide, it is open up, and very easy to walk, to move around. And I think this is just the right size when I do not eat a big meal. If I have a big bowl of soup, a noodle soup, something, that will not work. But for now, it is just right. Oh, so easy to move around. So comfortable. Okay. Bye bye, friends. I love you. I really do. Do. Bye bye.